Alright, good day, welcome back to Android Studio tutorial. So last time, tapos na nating install yung Android Studio components. Natapos yung downloads niya. Then after that, pag inopen ulit natin si Android Studio Setup Wizard, lalabas siya. Sinasabi niya missing SDK. So ganyan, normal lang yan. So no Android SDK found. So paano natin ngayon i-install yung missing SDK? Okay, so before continuing, you must download necessary components or select existing SDK. Next lang natin. Yan. So naka-check na siya. Android SDK platform. Alright. So this is the location. Next. Yan. So ayan, i-download niya to. Yan yung mga SDK components to download. Finish lang natin. Tapos i-download niya yan. Alright. So yan, wait lang natin siyang ulit matapos ma-download. Okay, yan. Tapos na ang pag-download. So, just click finish. Click lang natin yung finish. Ayan na. So, let's see, before tayo mag-start ng new project, Android Studio project, somethings pa din na kailangan nating iayos. Configure dito, SDK Manager. Yan natin yung mga SDK. Right. Yan. So, ayan yung mga Android API. So, ito yung mga versions ng Android na hindi pa naka-install. Pwede ring install yan. Pero, ito yung naka-install na. So, we don't need to. If you want this, ganyan, pwede siyang install din. Pero, another ulit yun. Right. SDK tools, SDK updates. Yan, chinek lang natin. Tinignan lang natin. Cancel lang yan. So, okay na tayo dito. Yan na tayo naka-install na Android API. Yan. So, okay na pala yung ating Android SDK. Naka-install na siya yung API level. If you want to install other API or APK, SDK, and install lang natin sila. Okay? So, for example, you want the maximum version and you want the minimum version, you can install it if needed. Okay? So, with that, okay na tayo sa ating SDK. Pwede na tayo mag-start ng new Android Studio project. Yan. So, when you click it, create na tayo ng new project. Okay? So, that's all for this tutorial.